C2. It is the second question under communication. Okay. The question says, given the recursive formula Tn equals to Tn minus 1 plus 3, where T1 equals to 2 and n belongs to natural numbers, n is greater than 1, provide a non-cursive formula for the sequence. Okay. Try to give your answer, stop the video, and then once you are done, look into my solution. The best way to go about here is to write from the recursive formula all the terms in the sequence, at least first 4, okay? So let's start with that. We are given T1 equals to 2. So we say T1 equals to 2. Now what is T2 equals to? So T2 equals to Tn minus 1, that is previous term, T1 that is, plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. T3 equals to, if I put 3 here, you get 3 minus 1 as 2. That means T2, the previous term. Do you understand? So previous term plus 3, 8. T4 is how much? We'll do previous term plus 3, 11. Do you see that? So we get kind of a sequence which is 2, 5, 8, 11, right? We get 2, 5, 8, 11. As you can see, the first term is 2 and our sequence is going up by 3 each time, right? So when you go to the second term, you add 3 one times. When you go to the third term, you add 3 two times, starting from 2. So general term Tn equals to the first value, which we normally say a in our formula, 2 plus n minus 1 because we are adding 3, 1 less than the number of term by the common difference 3, right? That is what our equation is. And this equation can be simplified, right? If we simplify it, we get this is equals to 2 plus 3n minus 3, which could be written as 3n minus 1. Okay. I have another way of writing this sequence directly. Look at this method. I say that the common difference here is 3, correct? When you go from here to here or here to here or here to here, it is plus 3 each time. So 3 is kind of slope, right? Is the first difference. Do you see that? First difference. And first difference represents a linear function, correct? Of course, n is a set of natural numbers, correct? And therefore, we have to do something with 3 as a slope of a line, correct? So we'll represent this as Tn equals to, it has to do with times 3. So term number is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. How will you get 2 from it? Minus 1. 3 times 2 is 6. How will you get 5 from it? Minus 1. So it is 3n minus 1. Do you get? So this is term number 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is what? 12. How will you get 11? Minus 1, 11. So that's a very good way of writing the same, correct? Here, what formula did we use? Right? Do you remember this formula? Well, let me give you this formula once again. The formula which we used here was Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, 2 in this case. N is n in n. So this is also called explicit formula, right? So this, we are calling this recursive formula. Recursive means repeating over and over again, the same thing. Add 3 to the previous term, add 3 to the previous term, correct? And here, if I say which is the 100th term, just plug in 100 for n and you get your 100th term. Here, to find the 100th term, what do you have to do? First get first 99 terms, then the 100th, right? That's a drawback. So that's how it is. And D is common difference. Number 3 here, correct? I hope you understand with this sequences how to write formula in explicit form. This is also called explicit form. General term or explicit, right? I hope you understand and gain some confidence. Thank you.